G'day guys, how are you going? Well, I've got myself a cracking little high elevation spot here in the mighty Victorian High Country for the night, sitting around sort of 1600 odd here at the moment. So full on snow country when the snow is on during winter time. I've got these beautiful views looking right across there to Mount Hotham. There's even still some patches of snow still lying around on some of the higher peaks in the back of Mount Hotham there, which is not too bad considering here we are in November. But got my fire on the go, get a bit of dinner going a bit later on. And then over here, I've got my swag set up. Not even going to put the awning out on my full drive tonight. Don't need that. It's going to be a pretty good night from the weather that I've checked out. And hopefully it's not going to rain, but I reckon I've done my homework on that. So my swag's going to be set up over here. My mattress tonight is going to be alpine snowgrass. Doesn't get much better than that. And my awning for tonight is going to be that little snow gum. It's just sensational. So that's my camp set up there for tonight. Just beautiful. Here we are, 1600 odd. Can't even, there's not even a breath of wind. Leaves are not even moving on the trees. I don't know, to get much better than this. Campfire, rolled out, swag's rolled out on the alpine snowgrass. Little snow gum there for me awning tonight. And beautiful views. Sensational. Cheers guys, I'm gonna kick back, enjoy this, and I'll get some dinner going a bit later on. Righto, time to get a bit of dinner going, I reckon. A few things I need. Get some veggies going first. Steam up a few veggies tonight, something a bit different I've sort of not done. Steam up some veggies with a bit of steak. The old Brussels sprouts, I don't know how many of you guys like Brussels sprouts, but I don't know. I was brought up with them and I actually like them. So I'm going to steam a couple of these up tonight. Cut them in half first. Straight in your steamer. Let those get for a bit going first and then I'll get my steak on the go. Righto, get my steak on the go. Get some heat in my trusty cast iron fry pan. Look at that. Righto, there's some heat getting in that fry pan. I'll get my steak ready to go. Bit of oil on it. Rub that in. The other side. Beautiful. Salt. Wait for some heat. Nearly ready. Oh, bit of steaks and veggies tonight. Right on the campfire, overlooking Mount Hotham. I don't know, does it get much better? The serenity here is just amazing. It's just so quiet and peaceful. Just what's required sometimes, I reckon. Simple life. Bit of a campfire, cook up a meal, swag set up underneath a snow gum. I don't know. Doesn't get much better, I reckon. I'm going to drop the steak on that now. Won't need any oil in the pan, it's just on the steak, just how we like it. Is that just the best sound? How good is that? Nice bit of porterhouse and some veggies coming right up. Bit of steak, a bit of a check, I reckon. Sizzling away beautifully. Almost ready for a flip over. Ah, sensational. Got a flip over, I reckon. Righto, get my other veggies going in there. Looks good. Peas and corn, a few beans. And I've got one more thing to go in there. Oh, how good does that smell? I know you guys can't smell it, but geez, I certainly can. Really nice. So a sample of one of these asparagus beers. You want these crunchy, you don't want them too soft, I reckon. Oh, perfect. Far out, that's good. I reckon that's all ready to dish up, I reckon. One of the beauties about going camping during daylight savings, still got plenty of daylight, get all your meals done, and keep back and relax and watch the cracking sunrise, or sunset here. Probably a bit later on tonight, I reckon. Should be pretty good from up here. Righto, I can get it all ready and dish her up. Let's have a look at that. Check that out. Righto, I'm going to grab myself a chair when I get into this, because this is so good. Got to have another one of these are great. Oh, so good. Well, I'm going to get stuck into this, and I'll catch you guys after I've had my dinner. I'm kicking back, enjoying my campfire, get some more wood back on it, stoke it up a little bit, and just enjoy this magnificent view. Oh. Well, that was a lovely dinner, I've got to tell you. Nice bit of steak there, some veggies. So now I'm going to kick back, just really enjoy, take in the serenity of this high elevation spot. It's all sunshine behind me, but tell you what, there's a ripper storm brewing out the back over there, over Mount Hotham. Lucky though, it's heading towards Omeo, so it's not coming this way, but it's brewing out there. A fair bit of rain, looks like it's fallen. But lucky it's not behind me coming this way. We're all good. So, I'll catch you guys in the morning. I'm just going to kick back here and enjoy this. This is a stunning spot. Oh, time for a morning cuppa. Morning guys, how are we going? Well, had a beautiful night here last night. Stunning sunset went down out the back out there, and now I've got a beautiful sunrise going on down over here. The sun's about to pop over the horizon down there. But oh, what a beautiful night. Another top morning it's turned out to be. Getting morning brew on the go. Get the day started. Have a look at that. What a start to the day. Well, there you go, guys. Just going to finish off my morning cuppa. I'm going to slowly get myself packed up, as much as I don't want to leave up here. It's so beautiful up here. But got a fair way to get home today, and but it's been well worth coming out here and spend the night at this magnificent location. So, thanks very much for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. See you later on. Hooroo.